Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the Sony recorder and confirming it has enough battery life. This prevents mid-session failure. Once done, insert a micro SD card if you need extra capacity and check available minutes on the display, because file size differs by format. Make sure the date and time are set so recordings are time-stamped correctly. Also choose MP3 for smaller files or WAV for maximum quality. This choice affects storage and post-processing, so pick based on your plan. You now set input levels and choose how to record. Once you select manual mode, adjust the gain so your loudest moments stay below 0 decibels to avoid clipping, because distortion ruins usable audio. Place the recorder about 6 to 12 inches from the speaker or sound source, and use windscreens or stable mounts to cut handling noise. When ready, press record and monitor levels briefly. If spikes appear, lower gain or enable the limiter to protect the file without stopping the take. You finish by stopping and saving each take deliberately, because a tidy file structure speeds editing later. Rename files or use dated folders. Once done, transfer recordings using USB or an SD adapter. Copy files to your computer and keep the originals on the card as a backup. If you encounter silence or low audio, make sure the internal mic is selected, batteries are charged, and the chosen format is supported by your software. Finally, reboot the recorder and retry if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.